the real bounty killer, day one fans them tell me. Which are some of the type of songs we look forward to hear later. Me have an idea, a set list of what me I go sing, but the fans are more important to what they want to hear than what me decide to sing. I don't have about 5 minutes because I'm going to stay upon them something along. I'm going to chatty, I'm going to them something, I'm sing and sling.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Kaboom! Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. As you already know, it's Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. And you know the day after Christmas, every show is point over Jammerl, over Sting. Now for the first time, Mr. General Ground Godzilla went live and I asked the fans them which song them want him to sing over Jammerl tonight. Freestyle, I'm gonna have to ask you I'm bound to this. When I say Bounty Killer come live, you know it's serious. So Freestyle Nation, you know say hits after hits, shellings after shellings over Jammerl look more. So you know make sure you over there to witness it. If you don't witness that Jammerl, you know make sure you tune into Orient Freestyle Adventures. They break a morning. They're going to have footage for you. So remember guys, the boss go live and the boss asks the massive them which song from the catalog them want them to sing. Now, well Freestyle Nation, if you know that Sting is Bounty Killer and Bounty Killer is Sting. Now as you can see Freestyle, as you can see the massive them drop the song them in the comment section what them want the killer to sing. But you know say when they come out the Bounty Killer catalog, it's long from New York, Jamaica and gone where they want a corner around there. So him can't sing all of the song them because the boss him only have 30 minutes. But me can't trust me not for ask Freestyle, me not for ask alone shellings to come over. But just go and run the video and you hear what going for yourself. You know the vibes. Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Freestyle, over Sting, Ground Godzilla, shellings, kaboom!
Supporters and day one fans want to hear because a whole heap of song me sing on stage all long, you know. Here some want the real bounty killer, day one fans them tell me. Which are some of the type of songs we look forward to hear later. Me have an idea, a set list of what me I go sing, but the fans are more important to what they want to hear than what me decide to sing. So, let me hear who know about killer song them and some real Jammerl and Sting anthem. When me for drop in a program and every reasonable suggestion Mike would have reached the playlist or the set list later. So when I have about 5 minutes, because I'm going to stay upon them something along. I'm going to chatty, I'm them something, I'm going to sing and sling. So, let me see what I go on. Book. Want to make it start, mystery, why am all these things, all the West was one, why you got dead, pop off, all these things. Some of them are title things the right way, but me understand how we talk about it still. Book, whoa. Living dangerously, well them sang the kind of usual suspect. Well, the first song, what the first song me ever sing when I step out past Sting 93? Who remember? That the song that I have to sing, so you don't have to type it. Man, I said deposit, dog, you can't come with some little song where the song alright on one album. A hit song you have to come tell the general to sing. Smash, classic, anthem. You can't come tell me about sing a lukewarm song tonight. Me not depend that I pay anthem me plan to sing. So anybody now say anthem or new anthem, me no want to hear them, you know. Me no just want to hear some song where you like. Me want to hear song where killer use and dominate this place over the last 30 and get it all dirty. Some people just have pun some song where them like. No, me not sing where you just like. You have to sing where everybody like. Yes, Pie, Nana, Mercy, Badman sitting them, the eagle and the ark, kill for fun. You sound like you have begun. That is it now. What have I done wrong? Yeah, a whole heap of things me done wrong, but God forgive me. Forgive yourself too. Till I need to ask you a favor. No favor and argue upon this dog. I want you a Boxing Day. You want a boop? East Indian. Smoke your herb. Warlord from Warrior. Merry Christmas, my fans. Merry Christmas, my followers, my supporters. Because my followers don't act like we're not supporters. My supporters, big up on yourself. And my followers, big up on yourself. Differentiation. London, we soon forward. Time Bomb Tour 2024. Action speak louder than word. Big song. Target practice. What target practice I go? Me done practice by all them target. Bad man, me no grandfather, me a grandmaster. Watch your grandfather thing. Grandfather in a rocking chair and a rocking around there. I'm a grandmaster. Godfather. I'm a godfather, the grandmaster, the godfather. Use that word, the grandfather. Large people dead, yeah. Riding West. BNT who no? Yeah, the man them talk about the real killer song them know. Poor people fed up always. Them not stop being poor people fed up. Them not do nothing about the situation. Killer fall season, all these things, all reason and season. I want to remember, Sting is not Rebel Salute. At 30 minutes me ago. 30 years of Sting, 30 minutes me ago. Alright? 10 minutes a decade. So nobody no come put out my whole catalog. It can't sing out over Sting. We have to book about 4 more Sting to get the whole of them songs that we see on our time. Alright? So we have a good evening and a good night. Kaboom! Make sure to be there. By 4 me I hit the stage. I don't talk. Whoa, whoa!